Today we have a 2008 Doosan Puma 2000Sy CNC turning center. Machine has a FANUC 18 ITB control. It's got a parts catcher, parts conveyor, and a chip conveyor. An LNS Servo 65 short magazine bar feed. Spindle is currently running at 1,000 RPM. That is 2,000. And that's 3,000. That's an S26 collet chuck mounted on the main. We're going to do the C-axis on the main. It's got a full C-axis on both the main and subspindles. There's your tool setter. Got a little sheet metal rattling around in the back, but the axes are nice and quiet. We're going to run the live tool. That's 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. It's a 24 station half-index turret. See on the sub. It's a 6-inch chuck mounted to the subspindle. That's 1,000 RPM on the sub. 2,000. And that's 3,000. It's your B-axis. Can you index the turret? Okay. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.